How to set up Spotify song as your ringtone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can set up your Spotify song as a ringtone in a device. So if you're also looking out on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So first thing first, head over and open up your Spotify on your device. And once you're into the Spotify, you're going to look up for this song. You can just go ahead and search for it. I can play up the song by using up a playlist. For example, this song right here. So let's say I want to put this song as my ringtone. So for that, what we are going to do is head over and download the song. In order to download the song, you need to have the premium version of Spotify. So if you don't have one, you can look up at the plans on Spotify and buy the one that you want that you are satisfied with. After that is done, you're going to go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right corner of your list, and you're going to go ahead and add it to your playlist. Once it is added to your playlist, you can go ahead and go to the library section, and then here look for the song that is on your device, on your playlist. Once that is done, you can find this download option. You can just go ahead and download it. And once that is downloaded, you can head over to your settings, and like how you normally put up a ringtone on your device, go over and select up the ringtone for your device by selecting it, and that is it. That's how you put up a ringtone, Spotify song as a ringtone by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.